Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gaurav Ganeshwala. I am a consultant interventional cardiologist at Ruby Hall Clinic, Pune. Today we are going to discuss about the pumping function of the heart and the problem of heart failure. Before we discuss about heart failure, it is very important to understand about the structure and function of the heart. Heart is a muscular organ made up of specialized muscles. It keeps contracting or beating 24/7 to meet the requirement of different body organs. Heart failure is inability of pumping out blood effectively to meet the requirement of different body organs. Heart failure is usually due to inert abnormality of heart, which either results into decreased ejection of the heart or it can lead to elevated filling pressures inside the heart. The common symptoms of heart failure are shortness of breath, swelling in legs, easy fatigability, chest pain, or abnormal heartbeats which can manifest as palpitations. Heart failure can lead to recurrent hospitalizations, and in some cases it can even lead to death of a person. If we look at the data, almost 1 to 2% of India's adult population may be suffering from problem of heart failure. People who have long-standing hypertension or diabetes, or anybody who has had a heart attack in the past, they are at a high risk of developing heart failure. Apart from that, in certain cases of viral or bacterial infections, either heart valves or muscles of the heart gets involved, that can also lead to heart failure in future. In some of the cases, there are certain birth defects in the heart which can lead to heart failure in long term. It is very important to understand the symptoms of the heart failure like shortness of breath, easy fatigability, swelling in the legs. If we identify these symptoms at the earlier stage, we can diagnose case of heart failure. Anybody who has risk factors for heart failure or has definite symptoms of heart failure should consult a cardiologist as early as possible. A cardiologist may advise some of the blood tests, including a special biomarker, that is NT-proBNP, which is a marker of heart failure, or in certain cases echocardiography, that is ultrasonography of heart, that can also be very useful in a diagnosis of heart failure. Undoubtedly, heart failure is a serious disease, but it can be managed with lifestyle changes, optimal medical therapy, and certain advanced therapies available for management of heart failure. Significant progress has been made in terms of development of newer medical therapies for management of heart failure. Apart from that, there are certain device therapies available for management of heart failure, which not only improves the quality of life but also improves the survival of the heart failure patients. And in a small subset of patients who are not able to be managed with medical therapy or device therapy, the last option is heart transplant for better survival of these individuals. If you or your loved one have been diagnosed with heart failure, it is better to consult your cardiologist as early as possible to understand about the problem of heart failure and to know more about the treatment options available, including newer medical therapies and device therapy. If you are diagnosed with heart failure, please don't get panicked. Heart failure can be managed with optimal medical therapy and making some important lifestyle changes, which includes limiting salt intake, limiting water intake, stopping alcohol, in certain cases stopping smoking or tobacco is also very important to improve the overall survival and quality of life of a heart failure patient. It is very important that you keep a good faith in your cardiologist and visit them regularly so as to optimize the dose of medications for heart failure and to have a continuous monitoring of the progress of a patient. Apart from heart failure medications, it is very important to control the risk factors like diabetes, hypertension, cholesterols. In certain cases, control of weight is also very essential. If you take care of all these things, medications, lifestyle modification, control of risk factors, and overall hygiene, in such cases heart failure can be easily managed with medical therapy and lifestyle modifications. In a very few cases, you may require to have a device therapy for improving the pumping of the heart and to prevent the episodes of sudden cardiac death. Very few patients require heart transplant as a last resort. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. If you are suffering from disease like diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, it is better to control your disease with medications, exercise and lifestyle modifications. Please watch for signs and symptoms of heart failure, which includes recent onset of breathlessness, easy fatigability or swelling in the legs. In case if we have any kind of symptoms, please consult your doctor as early as possible. If a condition is diagnosed at earlier stage, it is easier to treat that particular disease. For example, if somebody has got blockages in the artery which leads to heart failure, if we perform angioplasty or bypass surgery and clear the blockages, that can actually help in improving the pumping of the heart. Similarly, let's say if the heart failure is because of some infection, if we treat the infection effectively and if we start the therapy at earlier stage, the heart failure can be reversible and it is usually easy to manage. So please, in case of symptoms, consult your doctor and try to start the therapies as early as available. We have got wonderful newer generation medications which can not only improve the symptoms but it can also improve the pumping of the heart. In case of any doubts or any queries about heart failure, please feel free to contact us.